Hello guys, you are watching your own educational channel Exam Potential. To watch this video, please subscribe and comment us. Hello students, myself Rahul Kumar welcomes you in this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I am going to give you complete information about some important terms like ignition temperature, fire point, flash point, auto ignition temperature. Right? Students are generally confused between the terms ignition temperature and auto ignition temperature. Today I am going to clear this confusion forever, right? In this video lecture I am also going to answer some very important questions related to these terms, like why in the kitchen fry pan often catches fire at the time of cooking, why flame of burning candle goes off when we blow over it strongly, white phosphorus catches fire spontaneously, why, how we can boil water in a paper cup on a street lamp. All of these questions we'll going to answer in this video lecture, so we must keep watching this video till its end, right? Let us start today's topic. Today's first topic is flash point, right? What is flash point? The flash point of a substance is the minimum temperature at which its vapor starts burning if an external source of ignition is given. What does it mean? It means what minimum temperature is required for burning of vapor of any fuel, right? That particular temperature is known as flash point, right? What this diagram says? This diagram says that when we start heating any flammable substance by any heating source, then it starts to produce vapor, and when we bring any external source of ignition like matchstick or lighter, it starts burn. That particular initial temperature at which this vapor starts to burn is known as flash point, right? This flash is seen about 5 seconds, not continuously, right? Like a flash of camera, right? And this temperature at which the flash is produces known as flash point of this particular flammable substance, right? Now let us start answering some question related with the flash point, right? Why in the kitchen fry pan often catches fire at the time of cooking? Students, you often listen or see that at the time of cooking food in the kitchen, fry pan catches fire. This is because of the same reason, that is flash point. What happens there? When fry pan heated more, vegetable oil in the pan also gets heated, which reaches up to the flash point and it catches fire. This happens due to it comes in contact with the same heating source, that is gas or any other source, and this starts to flashing, right? It is totally based on the concept of the flash point, right? Now today's next topic is fire point. What is fire point? Fire point is the lowest temperature at which the vapor keep burning continuously even after the external source of ignition is removed, right? What does it mean? It means when a flammable substance is heated more than the flash point, then it starts to produce vapor continuously, and when any external source of ignition like matchstick, lighter bring near this vapor, it starts burning continuously for a long time, right? And this minimum temperature is known as fire point of this flammable substance, right? Now today's next topic is ignition point or ignition temperature. It is also known as auto ignition temperature or kindling temperature. Students are often confused between the terms auto ignition temperature and ignition temperature, right? I clear you that these two terms, that is auto ignition temperature and ignition temperature, are exactly same. There is no any difference between the two terms, right? The term flash point and fire point are generally used for liquids, whereas the term ignition temperature or auto ignition temperature are used in case of solids, right? What is ignition point or auto ignition temperature? The minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire is called ignition temperature, right? If we start burning, this substance, that is LPG gas, paper, dry wood or coal. LPG gas catches fire even by using a simple lighter, and this paper required more heat than that of LPG, and dry wood required more heat than that of paper, and coal further required more heat than that of the dry wood, right? In this way we can say that ignition temperature of LPG gas is very less than that of paper, which is less than dry wood, and which is further less than that of coal, right? Now we can finally say that flash point is less than fire point, which is further less than that of ignition temperature. Here flash point and auto ignition temperature of some substances is given, like petrol, diesel, kerosene and ethanol, right? Flash point of petrol is 21 degrees Celsius and its auto ignition temperature is 280 degrees Celsius. Flash point of diesel is 52 degrees Celsius and its auto ignition temperature is 210 degrees Celsius, and so on, right? Let us start some important question from this topic, that is ignition point. The first question is, why flame of burning candle goes off when blow over it strongly? What is its answer? When we blow over a burning candle strongly, air current decreases the temperature of burning wax paper below their ignition temperature, and CO2 from our breath also acts as fire extinguishers, so the flame finally goes off, right? Now next question. Next question is, how water boils in a paper cup without burning it, right? When we heat water in a paper cup on a burner, heat energy supplied to the paper cup rapidly passes to water. Hence paper goes not achieve ignition temperature and it does not catches fire, right? Now today's next question is, why white phosphorus catches fire spontaneously? A student, must know that ignition temperature of white phosphorus is 35 degrees Celsius. So during summer, room temperature also increases up to 35 degrees Celsius or more. So this phosphorus gets its ignition temperature and catches fire spontaneously even at the room temperature, right? Students, I hope you understand these topics in a simple way. Students, Hindi version of these topics are also available in our channel, which description is given in the description box. You can watch that from there. And now, goodbye. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. To get more videos, please subscribe and comment us.